so dark. Oh wait. Okay. I did it! Okay, I think it's glowing. If it is. Okay. Subscribe! Wait. I don't know. This is Turtleface 152. Okay? But, I'll hold it. Once again, I'm 10. And there's a person holding the camera this time. Give it! My friend, Nicholas. Do you have a YouTube account? Mm-hmm. So today I'm just gonna probably do stuff. What should we do? Cause I'm bored. We should do I don't know. You wanna have a battle between pogo sticks? No. Is this a challenge? It might be. Let's go. Hold on. Let me get on my shoes. My feet. Okay. Juice. My shoes. Come on, Nicholas. Pogo stick challenge. Hurry up! Okay. No. Okay. It's dark and creepy. Oh, there's the garage. Okay. Do you remember when we put the pogo stick? Okay. Who's gonna go first? Guy getting into his car. Oh yeah. Gotta wait for this guy to pull out of his driveway. Right. Ah, getting the camera dirty. So wait for it. Do it in the road. Careful for traffic. Okay? Do this. Come on. Ready, set, go. It shall be. Only there can only be one. One! Description below. Please tell us. Who shall be the first? Ready? And go! Okay. Again. Round 2. Here we go. Okay, ready? My turn. Spank you. Go. I delay the topic. She's doing it. Up. Oh. It's gonna rain all over me. Sugar. It shall be to round 3. We're gonna have 4 rounds, just so you know. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Up. Oh. The darkness comes.
into the sky. She's doing it.
Okay, ready?
Oh, she just fell. Oh, yes, you did.
Ah, jeez.
Gee Louises.
It's something around 4.
Run around.
Ooh, this mystery again.
Neighbors.
There's an old lady in a car. Old lady in the car.
Is that how you park your car?
Is that how you park a car? You're gonna flip over. Oh, she's crashing into some rocks. Ooh, she just crashed into the water tower.
2 trucks coming.
It looks like the Fast and Furious 5, or probably the 4. The stupid movie sequence.
Bye. Oh, hi. Bye. Oh, hi.
They make stupid movies.
Go ahead. Time for round 4. Take 2.
Oh my god, hey, that didn't count.
Yes, it did.
Fine, then it shall be.
Okay, here you go.
Round 2 for me now. I mean 4. Yeah, 4. No, 5, 6.
Oh look, a kid getting out of the car. Dun dun dun.
Ready?
She shall jump into the board.
1, 2, 3.
Chihuahua and a mustache.
7, 8, 9.
And she fell.
Okay.
Okay. So everyone, whenever you tell me something, down there, you see my finger go down, and he's just messing around right now. Now, we'll do something else.
On our next video of Voice That Failed.
What?
Voice That Failed.
That's every Thursday. So that's every Thursday. If I remember. Okay, let's go. Come on. That doesn't count, so.
Goodbye.
Let's go.
I'm not technically people. Let's see.
Alright. Doozy. What's going on? Okay. Now, I'm going to do something else. Ready? Okay. What are we going to do now?
The carpet.
Okay. Ready? Okay, well, so,
We'll act out a murder scene that we saw in the movie. No, I'm saying we're not going to do that. Everywhere we'd have to have wig, costumes, and all that stuff. But lighting.
well, if you see this video, subscribe, and, what else am I going to do? Tell us for next Thursday what we're going to draw. But right now, we're going to draw something. So, we're going to have a challenge. Who draws the best? We're gonna have a challenge to draw the bed. Don't do that. What are we gonna draw today?
Oh, I have no idea, but I know this video's been going on for 10 minutes.
No, let's not draw today. We'll draw the next video. Now, just want to know. Tell us what we're gonna draw and who won the puzzle stick challenge. Ready?